When all done, simply pull the dust bag and empty out. ZKH is a portable sander. Runs off of 110. Opening up the box, showing you what you get inside. Sanding pads. P80 sanding pad. They have Velcro attachments. The sander with about 6 feet of cord. The dusting area. The Velcro area. The orbiter sander. Simply take the sanding pad, place them on. With the duster bag, simply attach like so, and you're ready to go and sand. You're given instructions about the sander, information how to use it, and more. It's 350 watt sander, 5 inches in diameter, 140,000 RPM. You have your orbital sander and switch located on the side, low vibration, and your dust collector. You're given 5 of each, P60, P80, P120, 180, 240, and 400 of the 5-inch orbital sander pads that simply attach on. Turn on the unit by hitting the on button and choosing the speed you want. When all done, simply pull the dust bag and empty out. Reinsert and continue your sanding. So if you're looking to sand things, simple to turn on, pick adjustable speed, and sand away. This may be something that you are after for your orbital sanding needs. Thank you for viewing.